In TCM, an inguinal hernia is generally seen as a result of weakness in the body's energetic meridians and organs, primarily the liver, spleen, and kidney meridians. The liver meridian is responsible for the smooth flow of qi and blood throughout the body, while the spleen and kidney meridians are responsible for maintaining the strength and integrity of the abdominal muscles and connective tissues. When there is an imbalance or weakness in any of these meridians, it can lead to the development of an inguinal hernia. TCM treatments aim to strengthen the weakened areas, improve the flow of qi and blood, and correct the underlying imbalances in the body. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on the healing sky. The following acupoints are commonly used. 1. CV6 Qi Hai, located 2 finger widths below the navel. It is the place where the innate vitality of the human body gathers, and it is the sea of qi. This point helps strengthen the abdominal region and improve qi flow. 2. CV4 Guan Yuan, located along the midline of the abdomen. This point is the gateway where the qi of yin and yang is enclosed and stored. It is the place where men store their essence and women store their blood. It is the place where vitality is controlled. It replenishes both qi and blood and cure all kinds of deficiency and damage. This point helps tonify the kidney meridian and strengthen the abdominal muscles. 3. Du 20 Bai Wei, located on top of the head. This point is the place where the airflow of the whole body meets, and is also called the universal point. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that the head is the meeting place of all yang, so by dredging the meridian qi in the head, and lifting up the yang qi, hernia can be treated. 4 and 5, ST25, Tianshu, and SP15, Dahang, situated on the lower abdomen, besides the navel. These 2 points help improve the spleen's function and promotes abdominal muscle strength. 6. Li4 Hergu, located between the thumb and the second finger, regulates the defensive qi and helps the qi to circulate the whole body. This point can unblock and activate the meridians. Qi can rise and fall freely, and blood can clear and unblock. 7. SP6 Sen Yin Jiao, found on the inside of the lower leg. SP6 tonifies the spleen and kidney meridians, promoting overall abdominal health. 8. LR3 Tai Chong, located on the top of the foot. LR3 can help balance the liver meridian, ensuring smooth qi and blood circulation. 9. KD3 Tai Shi, found in the depression between the ankle bone and the Achilles tendon. KD3 can help tonify the kidney meridian and promote abdominal health. 10. KD7 Fuliu, located 3 fingers above the inner ankle bone. This is the acupuncture point where bad qi continues to accumulate. KD7 is commonly used to strengthen the lumbar region, particularly when due to qi stagnation. Acupuncture or acupressure sessions can help improve the strength of the abdominal muscles and alleviate discomfort associated with the hernia. Patients can perform acupressure on themselves or receive it from a qualified TCM practitioner. It involves applying firm pressure to specific acupoints using fingers or specialized tools. Acupressure can help alleviate pain and promote qi circulation in the affected area, and provide ongoing support in managing inguinal hernias. Herbal medicine is a fundamental component of TCM. Herbal remedies are prescribed based on an individual's specific TCM diagnosis, which takes into account the patient's overall health and the underlying causes of their inguinal hernia. Commonly used herbs include Huang Qi astragalus. This herb is known for its immune-boosting properties and can help strengthen the body's overall energy. Baizhu Atractylodes macrocephala. Baizhu is used to tonify the spleen and improve digestion. Duzhong Eucammia bark. Duzhong is traditionally used to strengthen the kidneys and bones. Dangshen Cotinopsis. This herb can help improve qi circulation and enhance overall vitality. The specific herbal formula prescribed will depend on the individual's constitution and the TCM diagnosis. Bonus tip: the inguinal hernia belt is usually made of breathable and elastic materials, and is used to treat an inguinal hernia. The anatomical fit of the bandage allows the specially shaped scrotal cushion to push back the bulge and maintain its correct position, applying support in a constant and stable manner. Many patients report complete recovery after wearing it for a period of time. Lifestyle adjustment. To prevent recurrence of hernia in the future, it is recommended to pay attention to the diet to improve qi, such as taking astragalus root brewed tea or a supplement, and eating more qi-boosting ingredients. Eating more roots and tuber plants can help replenish qi, such as potatoes, Chinese yams, sweet potatoes, carrots, etc. Ginseng also belongs to this category. Because these plants are buried underground when they grow, They absorb and condense more earth energy. It can be said that the growing environment can sometimes fundamentally determine the medicinal properties of plants. The following foods are also great for improving qi: mushrooms, beef, chicken, mutton, honey, leek, goji berries, dried longan meat, red dates, black beans. Furthermore, practicing gentle exercises like Tai Chi or Qigong can also improve qi circulation and strengthen the abdominal muscles. These dietary and lifestyle changes are essential in supporting the effectiveness of acupuncture, acupressure, and herbal treatments. I hope that this video is useful for you guys. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell button to get new video updates.